Good morning, live weather blog meteorologist Bob Acanfior here with today's tropical update for Sunday, July 25th, 2010. Nice and quiet in the tropics today, just the way we like it. Watching the remnants of Bonnie here move across the northern Louisiana, moving into Mississippi this morning. A nice blow up of convection. Finally, Bonnie looks good. This is the best Bonnie has looked in what, 2-3 days since it came ashore in South Florida. So getting a little bit of rainfall. They really need the rain actually up into Mississippi here. So this is actually good news. And you can see convection blowing up with the heating of the day. Little orographic lift here, all combining for some convection here. And here's the radar, and you can see a little spin here with the remnants of Bonnie. A little convection coming ashore across the western panhandle here. So kind of not a nice start to your Sunday for the beach here across the western panhandle, Pensacola area near Mobile, and then Biloxi, southern Mississippi here. And this rainfall will spread northward as the heating of the day gets involved, and here we'll see rain spread into Arkansas, Mississippi, northern Louisiana in this region here. And again, they need the rain up in this region. It's been pretty dry here this summer so far, so welcome rains here for these folks. All right, let's take a quick tour of the tropics here. Really not much going on. We have a broad area of low pressure here. It's mainly inland now onto the Mexican coast here, so this will not develop. If I had a little more time out here in the Bay of Campeche, could have saw some development, but this will not develop. Upper level low here over Cuba, this isn't going to develop. Taking a look at the Western Atlantic Caribbean here, we have again, upper level low here, not going to develop. A lot of wind shear blowing right from here all the way across the Caribbean and out this way. Looking down in the southwestern Caribbean here, little area to watch for. We have upper level high over here. This is a trough extending from this upper level low. Want to watch this. You never know with this, but it will move west and into Central America, so not much time for development here. A lot of dry. Look at this. You'll never see this much for the rest of this tropical season. Nothing out here, and wait till you see it out. I mean, from the Eastern Caribbean all the way to Africa, there is nothing. This is all dry, stable air right in here. And here we see all that dry, stable air. Look at this. Nice time to take a cruise down here. Beautiful weather. I mean, there is nothing. It's going to be a quiet week, that's for sure. And then again, we'll extend this all the way to Africa, and there's nothing. We had this tropical wave come off, but it's dissipated. All dry, stable air in here. There's a little African dust up in this area as well. And there's nothing coming off of Africa in the next 3 or 4 days. So, nice quiet time. And here's the Saharan air layer. This is from the Sims product. And you can see all that dry air here. Look at the dust made it all the way into the Eastern Caribbean here. Not that bad of a concentration. We had this little push off over here come off a day or two ago. I don't see much more coming off. We actually have the Azore high kind of weakening this week, but now I'm going to show you on the Euro model. Looks like this Azore Bermuda high weakens, but then first week of August it wants to build strong again, so that could blow more dust off of the coast of Africa the first week of August. So again, don't expect any tropical activity out here this week. So again, the Euro model, little extended version here. Just showing, you can see the high pressure finally weakening off our heat wave here in the East Coast is finally going to break down this weekend, finally, as we have a little bit of a troughiness working its way off the East Coast here. The Azore Bermuda high kind of gets shunted to the east, but you can see it's starting to build strong again here after it weakened a little bit this week. It moves east, gets strong, and then you'll see on the next map the extended forecast for the first week of August. It really builds back strong this way again. But at least we'll get a little break in the heat over the East Coast this weekend. A little low pressure might want to try to develop off the East Coast this weekend here. We might have to watch this. You never know what could happen out here. Water temperatures are certainly warm enough off the East Coast, so we'll have to watch this carefully here. That could be something, a little homegrown activity. When the pattern's like this, you almost want to look for these little frontal systems and a little homegrown activity right along the East Coast here. That's when we could have things quickly pop up. And then this was the extended Euro model. This was for Wednesday, August 4th. And you can see strong Azore Bermuda High really building back to the west here. It looks like as it got shunted, then it's going to build strong back here. And this could blow more African dust off the coast for the first week of August here. So we'll see how that plays out. Again, long way off. So as it looks now, pretty quiet week for the tropics. If anything does develop, we might want to look off to the east coast later this weekend, next weekend coming up. Might want to look for some development out there. Other than that, the MGL looks like it might take a little break from our area for a week or two. So we might see a pretty quiet time this week. As much as I thought the Cape Verde season might start up maybe the end of this week, that's not looking likely. We might have to look more towards the first week of August for any activity coming off the coast of Africa. Good time to keep those hurricane plans intact and just review them and get ready for the heart of the season, which will be coming up in August. Have a great day, and I'll have another tropical update tomorrow morning. Have a nice Sunday. Bye-bye. And stay tuned to liveweatherblogs.com for all your latest information. We have some severe weather going on across the Northeast today, so you might want to keep track. Just log on to liveweatherblogs.com for all your latest information. Have a great day. Bye-bye.